What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So I do have a thing in front of me, but we're not going to talk about that yet. First thing I need to talk about is the response to this giveaway comment video. You guys are amazing, seriously. The vibes, the positive vibes I've been getting back from the community, overwhelming. Uh, yeah, it's great. Meeting more people, and that's the whole point of this channel, is just to meet people in the community, like-minded individuals, and have some fun. And you guys are making that happen. So I'm very appreciative and very humbled. Thank you all so much for the feedback and all the comments. It's amazing. So speaking about the giveaway, 15th at 2 p.m., close out the comments. I'll do the drawing that same day, post a video 16th at 2 p.m. Then we'll know our winner. So when the winner's announced, when you see your name on the thing, go ahead and send me your info, and I'll get the thing out as fast as you can get me your info. So if you give me the info same day, I'll get it out the next day. Sound good? Cool. And thank you guys so much again for all your, you know, I'm motivated times a million now because you guys are making it happen. So anyway, enough of that mushy stuff. Let's get into this. So Sencut, another company I've never heard of, and $40, so it's budget friendly. This is the Tauron, and I've heard of Sencut. I'm just joking. I know there's Civivi and we, and I've technically never owned a Sencut, so I'm not really breaking the rules, just kind of bending them. So I wanted one, so I finally got it. So yeah, I know it's Civivi. I'm not a dummy. I'm kind of a dummy. Anyway, this is the Tauron. Nice box in typical Civivi Sencut fashion. I already cut the thing. Let's get into it. All right, so it comes a nice little pooch, like Civivi we do. We got stickers. I think stickers. Is that a sticker? Feels like a sticker. So anyway, no matter what happens, if I give this away in the future or not, I'm keeping the stickers. So there, it's mine. You guys get the rag. I'll give you the rag. How about that? It's stuck in the zipper. Okay, there we go. Got a little rag there. I'll give you guys the information booklet. I think I might keep this one though. I don't know. It looks pretty cool so far. So here it is. This is the Tauron from Sencut. Nice burgundy G10 scales. I hope it's popping on the camera. It's like a darker burgundy brownish kind of color, but pretty nice. Let's open it up. All right. On ceramic bearings. So very smooth action. Let's see if it drop shuts. Does it? Oh, it do. It do. Thumb stud's working good. Oh, yes. Reverse flick works. Lockup is very nice. Percentage-wise, I don't do percentages, but we'll say 33.7%. Nice. Very nice action. Very nice. Better than some of the Civivis I have, for sure. Anyway, let's look at everything on the knife. So it's D2, hardness rating about, was it 59 to 61 HRC, which is typical for nicely heat-treated D2 steel. What's the length of this thing? What are we looking at lengthwise? And I'm going with bigger knives, like I said before. Yeah, it's 3.48 inches. Overall, it's about 8 inches. Very nice looking satin finish on there. Clip point, kind of harpoony. Nice. Let's look at the jimping real quick. Let's get close on the blade. Nice finish. Nice jimping on there. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, very nice. Just got the Sencut on the front. The back has nothing. It's naked. Cool. But let's look at the ergos like I was saying. Jimping's very good. Very good jimping. You can choke up, right up on the harpoon there. Very nice. Feels good. Very good. So that part is good. Ergos pass. Blade pass. Let's feel the sharpness. Ooh, very sharp. Wiggly. Is it wiggly? Nope. Nope. Pretty solid. Cool, man. And that drop shut is on point for sure. I think I like the thumb studs better than the flipper, but no, about the same. Oh, speaking of the flipper jimps, and they actually work. They definitely catch your finger. So they thought of everything. Nice. Let's look at the scales real quick, get nice and close. As you can see, the G10 scales have that typical pattern on there, but they do it well. That's very grippy. Very grippy. Got your lanyard hole there. It is reversible, so I finally did it. I'm getting better. Let's take a look. Open construction. Let's look at the centering real quick. Nice and centered. Very centered. Shoot. Can't get more centered than that. Like I said, open construction. The screws are very flush. Can't even feel them. I can't really feel all of them on this side, but yeah. The clip, The screws are flush in there too, so it's not going to catch your pocket. Focus clip. And let's feel the tension. Very good tension. Not too loose, not too what are we, not too loose, not too. Anyway, the clip's good. Deep carry, yeah, we could call it deep carry. Might stick out about 1/8 of an inch, but that's not even a problem. Yeah, this is nice. $40, huh? Shoot, let's compare it to something. Got the SRM. What the heck is the name of this thing again? I don't know. I can't remember. But I really like this one too. And as you can tell, I've been playing with it a little bit. I got some of my hand oils on there, darkened up that micarta. This is very nice. I definitely dig this. But actually, I want to say, ergos wise, I think the Sencut's got to beat by just a bit. And that's just because it's got this blocky style to it. And you can choke up and all these things. But it's very close. I'd say the ergos are close on this. Yeah, I like the feel of both of them. I'm not going to lie. So yeah, let's put this guy away. And final thoughts on this for this little overview. It's awesome. It's an awesome knife. I like it a lot. And I pretty much like most of my Civivis and weaves, so I knew I would be happy with this. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for all your support. I do appreciate it. I'm overwhelmed. I'm humbled. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you to all of my veteran brothers and sisters and active duty guys and girls out there. Be safe, and I will see you all in the next video.